to, guys. So we're here at San Antonio Elementary School. Yeah, this is cool, and I'm back with these guys. This is Iggy from the first vlog. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is our team actually. Community duty. This is our team. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to them. Yeah. Yes. So our purpose of doing community duties that will provide our services to the community, like holistic care of nursing. Like we are able to show not just physical care, but also psychological, social, and spiritual health care. That's why we're here. We're trying to show them like wound cleaning, taking their vital signs. That's what nurses do, since we're still student nurses, and we're still. Let me switch up the camera for a bit. Yeah. There's a team. This part, there's a team. A lot of team members. Also this guy who has the same lawn, but it's Aaron. Vince. That is Andrea Pasipano. Hey, it's a vlog. It's a vlog. Yeah. It's Luisa. Hey, yo. Hey, let's go. Let's go. You may recognize Queenie from the first vlog. Yeah. You may recognize Queenie from the first vlog. Yeah. This is Alexa
Paano daw
Iggy again. This is Ira. Dap me up. Dap me up. Yeah. Sabnig. Wait, what? But let's say that word. This is our leader, Keegan. He's been taking care of the group from as we started last week. We just started last week actually. This is Rumpel. Drinking water. Hey man. Hey, oh my gosh. I'll be uploading this on YouTube. I-upload ko to sa YouTube. Okay lang? Okay ka na?
Mga 11. O, mamaya doon sa school, mga alas 2 siguro, di ba? Pag nandun na tayo, kain mo na sa kami. And then, tingin kayo ng room. Di ba, hindi ba kayo uyang tayo? O, mag-exam na po.
Ano po yung i-exam namin? Parang objective type po, subjective.
Mag-compute.
Twins! Say
Kaya,
hi.
di ba
Say hi
sinabi
to
ko ang requirements nyo? Kaya, na lang. Aswan nyo na lang ibigay sa akin lahat yan.
Yes ma'am. Window.
Ayan, ay,
Kigan Lider.
babayan.
Queenie.
Basta yung scrapbook, at least may picture na tayo dito. Kung may picture naman na si...
Nag-vlog na siya, mama. Nag-video na siya.
Diba, ang dami ng audience.
I'll be filming the intro.
Alam ko na, next
Hey!
Tatlo lang kami darog kakain.
Yeah, what is Queenie?
Ikaw, Myron.
I'm already vlogging. Ikaw ay Queenie.
Ito yung balak. Ako hindi ko yung naubusin sa lahat.
Just for a while, this year. I can't eat because I don't know. I think I might have GERD or something like that. I don't know. But I'm not hungry. I'm not really hungry. I don't have. Yeah. We're actually filming. I can film I can film people here because I can like when clients must have privacy, so I'm not filming them, and I'm doing community nursing duty because there's That's for their privacy actually. So I'm not filming. I'm not filming them, but we're actually doing that here. And yeah, let's go. It's a vlog.
Wala na. Mismo. Wala.
Hindi nga. Ay, oo.
Mismo yung mabilis.
Ah, mismo. Coke mismo. Ayoko. Ay, wag soft drinks.
Kapatid mo.
Hindi.
Parang kulang tayo. Ah, pinsan mo.
Oo.
Si Ma'am Ay. Si Ma'am Ay.
Uy, si Ma'am Ay. Tawagin
mo na si Ma'am
Ma'am Ay. Ma'am Eileen. Ma'am. Ma'am Lisa. Ma'am Lisa. Ma'am. Yan kasi mali eh.
Subscribe, Myron.
Yes. You heard her. That's us. Uy, si Ma'am Lisa lang ba? Uy, gani. I'm...
Tayo muna. Uy, ano yun? Tinawag sila.
Tawagin nyo
Wala
na...
ata. Really? Walang tumawag.
Punta ka na.
Me?
Ikaw na. Punta ka na.
Si Ma'am Lisa lang. Ma'am Eileen na rin ah. Dalawa na sila. Yeah. Ma'am Eileen, Ma'am Lisa, picture daw tayo. Sa harap ng school ko. Picture ko. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oo daw. Yes. Dito nga. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oo daw. Wait lang daw.
O, tara muna. Ano gagawin?
Picture. We're taking a picture in front of the San Antonio Elementary School with Keegan.
Tayo muna kaya. Tayo muna kaya.
Can you hold this?
Hindi. Ano?
San Antonio's first.
I-upload ko yan sa YouTube.
Ayos natin ng ano.
Okay na?
Nasa harap yung boys. Nasa baba yung boys.
Shut up! Sige.
Ito na ba? Oo, ikaw. Tapos si Raspel. Tapos si Aaron. Tapos... Pangit.
Ay, siya.
Si Mamay. Sourhead. Pero nakakaano.
Open mo ka na kaya. Maging role model ka naman.
Let's go guys. Sit na tayo. As gentlemen.
Uy, isin mo daw. Pagkagalaw-galaw na.
Saan pinagawa na naman? Ay.
Parang ang lip ko mag-tenga ako. Patang ka. Kanino tayo?
Patayo ba? Ay pa.
Cellphone niya naman. Ka dito ang layo mo, be. Ang layo mo, be.
Hindi. Hindi naman na dyan. One.
Opo, wala. Sige.
Tol!
Okay.
Ano daan?
I'll be turning this off. We'll be taking a picture. Yeah.
Ayan na ata sila, ma'am.
Si Colin, that's her name. Diba,
Ano
Queen?
yan?
Ha? A vlog. It's a vlog. Oh. Say hello to the...
Hello?
Let's go! Azaria pa si Colin. Sige, kunin yung tricycle.
Kunin yung tricycle.
Let's go! Hindi naman.
Wow. Di naman yan. Group B.
Kailan pa siguro? Mali eh, mali eh.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Let's go, Dustin. Let's go, Dustin. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Dustin. Let's go. 6-7. 6-7.
Game. 1, 2, 3.
Okay na yan.
Okay.
6-7 daw. Ginawa ka Dustin. 6-7. Dustin. At 6-7.
Magkano pa yung bigas ko?
Ang
Yeah. Hey guys, we just got we're now in our classroom. Not official classroom because college doesn't have official classrooms. So, we just went home from San Antonio and let me show you around here. The anatomy and physiology laboratory. Let me switch your camera.
What you doing, bro? Lagi.
Taigi! Tingnan mo yung
Ay gago, sinetch ka talaga?
yung malagunan ang vlogging journey ni Mayon. Ha?
Right? Group exam, right?
Oo.
Alright. Okay, since I want the video to be longer, I'm still continuing. We're going to San Antonio again. Let's go with this guy, with these people again. With Queenie, let's go, Queenie. Let's go, let's go.
Sir, may isa pa dito.
Meron pa po daw.
Ma'am! Isa pa po. Pwede dito. Ay,
Queenie, dyan na ako.
huwag na, mayroon. Akin na lang mga OB bags niya para hindi masikip.
Thank you, Queenie. Sobrang bait mo talaga. Sinasalute ka ulit. Salute.
Ay, Damortis sila. Bakit nga yung Damortis sila eh? Sana naman yung
Vlog takeover daw, guys. Let's take over.
ikaw yung nahihilo.
Si Queenie, ma'am.
Hindi kaya pa isa.
Uy, hindi ako nahihilo kahapon. Hindi ko alam paano to. Luisa, ikaw nga. Lagay mo nga bow.
Iba center city.
Let's go, let's go.
Ba't kasi tumitingin
With
tayo
our
sa
idol,
taas
Queenie.
kanina, boy? Na parang nandun yung bus natin.
We're back here at San Antonio. Yes, ma'am. Barkada? Yes, ma'am.
Ay, sulat mo na tayong lahat.
Yes.
Yo,
Welcome, welcome.
the vlog.
Let's go, let's go. Yes. We're back, San Antonio, for our second day here. It's our second day here. Actually, it's our third day of community duty. We're back here. Yes.
Upuan mo na yan.
Oi, no,
Upuan mo na yan.
no way, no way, no.
Hoy, nandito tayo.
Paano nag-work si Ate, hindi na bumalik eh.
Bulletin board. We're now starting on the bulletin board. Let's go. Let's go, Phoenix. Actually putting it inside the barangay hall.
Uy, ikat mo na yan, oh, para ilagay natin dun sa taas niya. Sige na, ah.
Hirap.
Bilisan mo na, ah.
Wait lang, wait lang. Come on. What? Photo basic. Hi, ma'am. We're done.
Hawakan niya ito mag-picture. Perfect.
Wow.
Christmas.
Paano mag-selfie?
Selfie?
Mayroon.
Ay, yung phone ni Queenie lang, ma'am.
Phone mo na lang, be. Wow, galing naman. Ang ganda. Ang daming snowflakes.
Gamit niya na
Arts and craft.
nursing.
Nursing sa art?
Yeah, nursing and art.
Yes, nursing sa art.
Zoe, maganda na kayo.
Sa'yo to, Hiro? Yan, yan, yan. Yan. Ah. Yung salil dyan sa ano. Let's go. Thank you, Bo. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. We're done with the bulletin board.
Kung tignan mo, daspan meron.
Let's
Grabe kayo, guys. Grabe. Ikaw.
Excuse me.
Oo, nakita ko yung wala, may nag-notice kang pero uy, oo, Enrico, meron na!
We're actually doing home visits right now with us. We're done yesterday. We've just done the home visit yesterday. Now we're focusing. We're also done with the bulletin. Guys. Winnie.
excuse me.
We're actually having a regular session. Our third regular session is SSC. SSC. As we prepare for 2024. I'm sorry it's a bit long. Let me switch the cameras. Okay guys, time to properly end the vlog 2 and yeah. Bye guys. Bye. Bye.